If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this video is an installation of a hard case on a MacBook Pro 13 inches M2 with keyboard cover and screen protector. I don't like to have my MacBook Pro without a hard case cover because they get scratched easily. The case for the MacBook is very sleek. It barely adds any bulk to the laptop. Looks and feels great. Of course, this case is not going to protect your laptop completely from drops falls. It will, however, protect it from scratches to the outside on the top and bottom of the computer. The finish feels like a matte silicone. Kinda has a slight rubber feel but not as grippy, if that makes sense. I really like that better than just a regular plastic cover because that would probably be more slippery when holding the laptop or even when it's on my lap. Silicone tends to grip skin clothes better than plastic. But don't worry, this is not one of those soft rubber silicone skins either. It is still a hard shell just with a silicone finish to it. Next is keyboard cover. I really wasn't planning on using this thing as I felt how in the world is this not going to slip off the keyboard since the keys are almost flush to the computer itself. There is hardly anything for the cover to grip onto. However, I found it to be pretty good. It stays on very well as it almost has a sort of sticky rubber feeling on the bottom and a perfect indentation for each key to help keep it in place. It also helps to keep dust and spills out, which is definitely a good thing. There isn't too much of a difference in feel when typing other than the keys feeling more grippy. However, it does take some time getting used to as there is a bit more restriction on the fingers when pressing the keys. Very subtle though. I think it might protect my MacBook from potential liquids peeling on the keyboard, but it has not been tested yet. The little sack bag that comes with it to carry some of your accessories is very nice and feels like pretty good quality. I'll probably fit my charger adapter and USB-C cable in there with no problems. Then finally, the worst part about this product, the screen protector. As far as how it looks and the ease of installation, I would have given this a 5-star rating. It doesn't affect the clarity of the screen in any way. In fact, I can't even tell that a screen protector is on this laptop. It's just as glossy as the display itself, so you can't even tell it's there. Just make sure you follow the traditional method of applying screen protectors, as dust will create bubbles, so you may need to use extra tape to remove these dust particles if you want a perfect installation. All in all, I would highly recommend this product. Hope this review helps you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.